Once you've followed the Quest 3 setup prompts, if you navigate to Settings, Personalization, you can choose from a range of cool looking virtual environments, from where you can use your apps and games as normal. To switch back to your room, press the Passthrough button in the menu bar. To move the menu screen, simply look in the direction you want it, then hold the meta button on the right controller to reposition it. You don't always have to use the controllers, however, since hand tracking uses the cameras on the outside of the headset to track your hand movements. Simply pinch to select and turn your right palm towards you to activate a hidden menu where holding your thumb and forefinger together will bring up some helpful menu shortcuts. Hand tracking can also be used to navigate through the menus by physically, or should I say digitally, touching them to navigate, kind of like a tablet. To screen record, press the camera icon to open the recording menu, then press record. First though, I'd suggest going into Settings, System, Camera, where you'll be able to increase the recording quality as well as choose the aspect ratio you want. If you're using the Quest 3 for extended periods, I'd also recommend investing in a really long USB-C cable so you can charge it while using it. Also, you'll want to set up automatic software updates so the headset updates itself when not in use. In terms of which apps to start with, I'd recommend the free apps by Meta, First Steps, First Hand, and First Encounters, which were designed to help you get the hang of VR quickly. Also, they're pretty fun. Good luck, enjoy the Quest 3, and follow for more tips.